Sweet potato noodle salad. It can be served as a side dish or as a main dish. Here I serve it as a salad, and here I serve it as a main dish with some soy sauce chicken. Cook the noodle according to the package. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes. So this is what it looks like. Heat some water to a rapid boil. When the water comes to a rapid boil, add the noodle and give it a good stir to prevent sticking. I will cook the noodle for 4 minutes. It looks good, but need to cook a bit more. And after 4 minutes, it looks something like this, a bit glossy. Now, I add some vegetables. Here I add some carrots, some daikon, some green peas, and some napa cabbage stems cut into strings with the julienne pieces. For the rest of the additional 3 minutes, I will steam the vegetable with the noodles. Give it a total of 7 minutes I cooked everything for. Then I will drain them. Now these noodles are really bland, so the vegetable will help to flavor the noodle. Keep in mind I put no salt because the sauce that I will be making has soy sauce, and soy sauce is a bit salty. After draining the noodle, I cut it into small pieces. In a bowl, I have some soy sauce, some sesame oil, some vinegar, black pepper, ginger, and garlic. I will add half the sauce to season the noodle. I give it a good stir. Now I add the vegetables. I have some green pepper, some red pepper, some scallions, some red onions, some napa cabbage leaves, and cilantro and parsley. You can add any vegetable you like. Then add the rest of the sauce and toss everything together. Give it a good stir, good mix. And now you can serve it as a salad. Sprinkle some sesame seed if you like for garnish, or just serve it without. It makes a great side dish, potato noodle salad. You can add some soy sauce chicken to that and it become dinner. Looks really appetizing, right?